Well, the Bird Bros are up in Temiskaming for our second episode. Or first, for part 2. It's early morning, and we're waking up in a Walmart parking lot.
Morning, guys. Well, that's 2 nights now sleeping in the car in negative territory weather. And all I gotta say is thank God Tim Hortons and McDonald's are 24/7. You gotta go. You gotta go.
It's the morning time now, and we're out looking for birds. Let's see what we can find.
Beautiful sunrise. Oh, Sandhill cranes are still there.
So many!
Yeah.
Look at the Sandhill cranes dance around. They're wild!
Dancing around in the snowstorm.
Sandhill cranes love to dance around during mating season. This isn't mating season, but they're still doing it. Guess these guys just love to dance.
Just getting some practice in.
Come on, guys, let's go this way.
Alright, I'll follow you. Whoa!
It's way too windy. We gotta go the other way.
Oh man, yeah! Let's go that way.
That's a lot of sandhill cranes. Over 1,000 sandhill cranes for sure.
That's crazy.
Kap-Kig-Iwan Park. Say Kap-Kig-Iwan 5 times fast.
Kap-Kig-Iwan, 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 Kap-Kig-Iwan.
Nicely done. Let's feed some birds by hand. Hey, chickadee. It's a black-cap chickadee.
Black-cap chickadees are very, very common.
Now ain't that a beauty sight? All those birch trees, northern Canada. She's a beaut. The brown creeper.
Brown creeper is a small little bird that creeps along trees and gleans insects from the tree bark.
An all white underside with the brown above and the curved bill.
Oh, and what's that type of sparrow there?
Oh, that's juvenile Savannah sparrow. Ain't it a cutie?
Oh, and we've got a white-breasted nuthatch in the tree, just looking for some food. Just looking around for some food.
Yeah. Lots of birds out today.
Check out the bridge down there, guys. The Bird Bros gotta go check that out.
Whoa, that's a long way down.
So pretty. I want to walk across that bridge so bad.
Yeah, let's get down to that waterfall. Let's get down to that waterfall.
Cool bridge.
Oh, the bridge is closed.
Darn it.
Aw, man.
Oh, what's that sound?
Yeah.
It's a downy woodpecker.
Yeah, at least there's a bird down here. A downy woodpecker.
Definitely hear some insects crawling on the underside of that bark.
Yeah, notice how all these birds are looking for things in the tree bark?
Yeah, these guys need to fatten up for the cold winter ahead.
It's using its long tongue to probe for insects inside the tree bark. Whoa, that's a big waterfall.
Yeah, I'd say.
This park is beautiful.
Now that's a waterfall!
There's a little waterfall there.
Oh, hey, John. What's up? See ya.
Alright! It's turning into really nice weather, and we're hoping to come across some bluebirds!
Oh, that's a cool looking tree.
Oh, that's a cool looking bird.
That's a pileated woodpecker.
It's the bird that Woody Woodpecker was modeled after.
Yeah. Do you know if that's a male or a female, Sean?
I believe it's a female.
Correct. If this was red, it would be a male.
She's just going to town here on this tree.
Their bill acts like a chisel to chip wood away to make their homes or in search of insects to eat. The bill is just as long as its head.
Well, we're gonna head back to Hilliardton Marsh.
Time to get ready for a special event. But first, we see another bird.
Oh, it's a green jay.
Also known as a Canada jay.
These guys here are super social and love to feed on any type of seed you leave behind for them. There's a dive bomb in my head first off the top.
Whoa! And there's a red-tailed hawk. Mighty cool.
These are one of the bigger hawks found in Ontario.
And probably the most common hawk throughout all North America.
Oh, it's a red-tailed hawk, my friends. Oh, and we found a grouse in a tree.
Ruffed grouse.
That's pretty high up.
We got another bird. A ruffed grouse, fairly common in these parts, but always a treat to see.
Tons of birds here up north.
Alright guys, it's dark, we're here in the middle of the night, in the car, waiting to go to Hilliardton Marsh.
Yeah.
Why are we here at night, guys?
Owl banding.
Yes, owl banding.
Yep. In 7 minutes from now, in real life Sean and John time right now, we will be owl banding.
Hopefully, we'll get a couple different types of owls. We're not gonna tell you just what yet, but we'll see. Be surprised.
We got our hopes up.
Take care, guys. Talk to you later.
Stay fly!
Bird Bros out.
Stay tuned for part 3 of Bird Bros in Temiskaming.
Where we do some owl banding.
I wonder what type of owls we're gonna find.
I'm so excited. Stay tuned for more, guys.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button